Good morning, children. In the chapter Air, previous class we have learned about winds and types of winds. I hope that concept is very clear, children. If you understand, okay. Otherwise, you please call me and ask me any doubts. You're free to ask any doubts, children. Okay? And at the end of today's class, you'll be able to learn about moisture. Now let us take another element and most important element of weather, that is moisture, children. During rainy days, clothes take longer to dry and sweat from our bodies does not evaporate easily, making us feel very uncomfortable. Why do you think it is so, children? Yes, it is. During rainy days, the moisture content in the atmosphere is very high and unable to hold some more moisture from the wet clothes or from our body. We all know that water evaporates from land and different water bodies, it becomes water vapor, right? The moisture in the air at any time is known as humidity. When the air is full of water vapor, we call it a humid day. As the air gets warmer, its capacity to hold the water vapor increases. So, it means it gets more and more humid, making the environment uncomfortable. And what have you seen in this picture, children? Yes, a jet plane is flying in the sky. So jet planes flying in the sky leave a white trail behind them. Have you observed it? Yes. Do you know how does that white trail occur? The moisture from the engines condenses as the jet plane fly. We see trails of this condensed moisture for some time when there is no air movement to disturb it. As I told you, in stratosphere there is no air movement. It is a clear sky. So in the clear weather there is no movement of air. That is why you can see the trails of the jet planes for a longer time. And in the same way, water vapor rises and it starts cooling. The water vapor condenses forming of droplets of water which are called clouds, which you can see here. So clouds are just masses of such water droplets. When the water vapor rises, it condenses. It goes up and condenses and forms into a small water droplets. So these small water droplets only called what, children? Clouds. Okay, you can see here dark clouds. No, when these droplets of water become too heavy, so dark clouds means what, they have sufficient amount of water vapor or droplets of water in the air. So when these droplets of water become too heavy to float in the air, then they come down as precipitation. Precipitation may be in the form of what, rainfall, children, snowfall or hails or sleet or any kind of thing. So they come down in the form of precipitation. Precipitation that comes down to the earth in a liquid form is called rain, which you can see here. Okay. So these are the different forms of precipitation, children. Snow, sleet and hail are the other forms of precipitation along with the rain. Okay. On the basis of mechanism, there are three types of rainfall, children. On the basis of mechanism, there are three types of rainfall. They are convectional rainfall, orographic rainfall, and the cyclonic rainfall. So, three types of rainfall. I repeat, convectional rainfall, orographic rainfall, and cyclonic rainfall. Now, let's see them clearly how they occur. Convectional rainfall occurs when the warm air rises up and gets condenses. Warm air is hot, no? So it is in light in weight. It goes up and there in the tropopause, it is very cool over there, no? So it condenses, it cools down and condenses. This water vapor turns into small water droplets. Okay, so this convectional rainfall occurs in that way. Now orographic rainfall. Orographic rainfall occurs when the warm moist air rises up due to the presence of relief features. Relief features such as mountains, hills on its way. Now third one, cyclonic rainfall. Cyclonic rainfall occurs during the meeting of the warm and cool air. So warm, the place where any warm and cool air meets, no, that place you can observe the cyclonic rainfall. Okay. So, with the above types of rainfall, what do you understand, children? Rainfall is very important for the survival of plants and animals. It brings fresh water to the earth's surface. Less rainfall may cause water scarcity or drought, or more rainfall may cause floods, children. So, this flood situation also damages the human life, and drought also damages the human life. It is not only affects the human life, children, but also for the plants and animals also. So plants play an important role in maintaining the level of rainfall. So thus plants should be protected and help in preserving water. So you all need to learn to afforest. It means plant some trees in your surroundings. It enhances what, regular cooling of the air, and it attracts the clouds and gives lot of rainfall. So thank you for watching, children.